stars, reaching for who we are, lost in Mars, never going down. For what? Won't you follow me, my dear? I've got plans for you up here. So this one last chance, let's get on a rocket ship and ride to the